Welcome everybody. I'm really glad that despite of the snow and the rain and the wind, everybody made it here. So the Avantes distributor meeting originated already from 1996, the first time. It's really important for us to be together with our distributors, to have this fantastic interfacing with our distributors, talking about technology. But these are all people, and it's so nice to see them, coming together like the Avantes family. So we're really proud to have everybody here for the 20th time already here at the Avantes headquarters.
The meeting itself was as good as every year, maybe even better, and it's really nice to see where the company came to so far, and also the future is looking very bright.
But the real thing is, of course, that you would like to know who gets the Distributor of the Year award.
Every year it's a good occasion to talk each together with other distributors, all the team from Avantes.
The vibe was really positive. I must say there was a lot of interaction between the distributors, a lot of new technologies were well accepted, and a lot of distributors are very positively oriented towards 2019 and the years to come, seeing our roadmaps of technology, production and the production process.